Today we are going to burn The Simpsons.
In the face.
In the face. On a microwave.
In a microwave.
Yes. The last recording didn't really work well, and so it's gonna be kind of weird. But it's like in the middle of it. So.
Already kind of burned some
Yeah,
of it.
kind of burn. It scary as fucking hell, I'll tell you that.
No.
It's like fucking Jesus.
This Cameron is exactly like Jesus.
Yes, it's exactly like Jesus. Alright, let's see what's the output on that. Holy shitty fuck. I'm just gonna say holy shitty fuck. Because that is holy shitty fuck right there.
I can't see this. I'm on Skype.
Yeah. But yeah, that's the outcome right there. Dear God. Holy shit. Well, that's it. So, hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, Homer Simpson to the face.